I'm Nan, and I'm the apiary manager here at 21 Acres. I have the best job ever. I get to take care of these girls, these bees right here. Can you see them?
Mm-hmm.
See, they're flying in and out of the entrance. And these bees are really calm. These are our calmest bees on the farm, so that's why Emily and I decided to show you these girls. They're hard at work today. It's a little bit over 80 degrees. And so you can see they're actively bringing pollen in and out. I see some drones coming in and out.
Amazing.
And these bees have an important job on the farm. Besides just making us all that delicious honey, which we sell in the market store, they pollinate all of the plants out in the environment here. I was telling Emily earlier that the bees and the flowers on the farm have a symbiotic relationship. One just said hello to me on the chin. They have a symbiotic relationship where the bees go to the flowers for protein for that pollen, and the flowers depend on the bees for pollination. Every time a bee lands on a flower, some of the pollen sticks to its fuzzy legs and its fuzzy body, and those little pollen granules then get spread from flower to flower as the bee goes around and collects nectar and does its good work in there. So,
Teamwork.
yeah. Exactly.
Amazing. And can you share what we're going to do today?
Today we actually have a job to do. We're going to look inside of this hive, this overwintered hive, and see if we can find the queen.
A queen hunt.
A queen hunt, exactly.
Amazing. I'm so excited, Nan.
And we're not sure if it's going to be the overwintered queen in here or a new queen from this spring. So that'll be really interesting to see. What else can I tell you?
I think maybe we should get started and then we can ask some more questions about the queen afterwards.
All right, let's do it. Come and look down into the hive.
So the bees are just gluing it all together. Oh
Yeah,
wow,
they
this
glue
is
it all
incredible.
So what I love when I look into a beehive is seeing them all looking back up at me. You can see there's just rows of bees down in between these frames, and they're looking up. They're like, hey, hello.
And most of these are female, right?
Yeah, so all of these are daughters of the queen.
Daughters of the queen.
Mm-hmm. They're all a big family.
Wow. And I see them building comb right up here.
Yeah, they are.
Amazing. So can we look in one of those?
Yes, definitely.
We're looking for the queen
We're
still.
looking for the queen. Oh, this is a really good example of bees putting honey away. This is all new springtime honey, and it's capped. So they filled that up with delicious nectar, and then they close it over with wax. And all that wax comes from their abdomens. They have little wax scales on their bellies. They peel those off, chew them up, and create all of the hexagons and also the wax capping for the honey.
I can't believe they're just so gentle letting us get so close to
Yeah, you can see this one. She's filling it up right there, that hexagon with honey. She's got her nose in there. She's hard at work.
Incredible.
I just made some space. I'm gonna take this frame and move it off to the side.
She's doing it so
As
slowly.
Emily said, yeah, really slow, really
saying,
gentle.
Okay, little bees.
If I move slowly, I won't smush them, and that's the idea. No smushing. There we go. Now, I'm gonna use my hive tool to move a couple of frames over.
So really kind of in the similar way that we farm, that we're building healthy soil to, create beautiful plants, you're just creating a healthy habitat for the bees.
Yeah.
And they're kind of doing all the work.
What I love about beekeeping here is we make sure we do what's best for the bees and not just what's best for honey production. So we go slow, we take our time. We can almost have more of a hobbyist mentality in the sense that if the bees aren't producing, or if we don't have a great year as far as like honey flow and nectar flow out in the environment, that's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll just let the bees be bees.
So Nan is kind of really carefully, there's a little bee on her hand there.
Yeah.
Hello, lady. She's so carefully just moving each frame, looking around.
Exactly.
What are you looking for as you look for the queen?
Well, the queen likes to lay in the middle frames first, and I really wish she wasn't laying in these supers, but I suspect she is. So we're gonna take a
So you're
brief
looking
look.
for evidence of the queen.
Evidence of the queen.
Evidence of the queen, and that comes in where you can see that she's been laying eggs.
Yeah, so we're gonna see eggs and larvae and capped brood. Once we get, see, I told you I was gonna drop something at some point.
They don't look too mad about it.
No, they look okay. Yeah, so there is larvae in here. So there's queen activity and queen evidence. I'm not sure if you can see because it's really, really tiny. But there's little curly Q white things
And those are baby
inside.
bees.
Those are baby bees, the larvae. They're in the larva stage.
So we know that she's been here.
Yes, we know that she's been here. Her role is to lay 1,500 eggs a day.
1,500 eggs a day.
Yep, on a nice summer day like this. or spring day.
1,500 eggs. My
Yes,
goodness.
that's right. And she can lay 500,000 eggs in her lifetime. Yeah.
How long is her lifetime?
It could be up to 7 years.
Wow, and as opposed to a worker bee, her daughters, how long are their lives?
In the summer, a worker bee will live about a month. They
Wow.
work so hard. In the winter, they can live 4 to 5 months.
Wow.
Yeah. They have different jobs, summer bees and winter bees that are looked into the hive.
Noticing some are really large bees.
Maybe those are drones. Do they have very big eyes?
Yes.
Those might be drones.
Drones. So the different bees are the worker bees, her daughters, the drones, her
Her
sons,
sons.
and the queen herself. So is the queen in charge, Nan?
No, she's not. The honeybee hive is actually a democracy.
Wow.
Yeah, and the workers are in charge, her daughters.
I see this one has pollen on
Oh yeah.
their legs.
Isn't that cute?
Yeah. Thanks for
So
pollinating.
much pollen.
Incredible.
They pack that pollen onto their legs. The little hooks on their legs are called a breadbasket. They pack that on there and then they bring it back to the hive. So when they're flying, it doesn't fall off.
They've got their little heads in there just making honey. Here's Nan making more room for them.
I'm gonna go straight for the middle and hope for the best. We might see her. I'm getting a good feeling about this frame.
Nan has a good feeling. I'm gonna come over to the other side again so I can see a little bit better.
Wow.
Wow, so that's all capped brood, right?
Yes.
So those are all little baby bees.
Yes, they are.
Oh my goodness. Do you see how it looks different from the honey? So there's the honey, and there's the brood.
Yeah, this is all capped brood, a full frame of it. They're also putting a couple of droplets of honey in between some of the brood. Maybe it's convenient to have food nearby. They don't have to go as
Wow,
far.
and I can sort of like really see in there. That's incredible.
Yeah, you might be seeing some larvae.
I think so. Oh yeah,
If
like
it's
that
white.
one there. It's white, yes.
Yeah.
Wow. Incredible.
So we're looking for the queen.
That's not her, is it?
No, that's a drone.
That's
Do you
a
want to get a
drone.
close up of that guy? He's quite large in comparison to the workers. There's
So we're
another
looking for
drone.
an even bigger bee.
An even larger.
This is like really the coolest thing I've seen.
This is another full frame of capped brood. You can see they're pretty mellow. It's a warm day. So the queen wasn't on here. I'll put this one back in.
I think we have time to maybe look at one more, and if we don't find her friends at home, that's okay.
That is okay.
Just means that she's doing her job.
Yes, definitely.
Wow, look at that. Okay, so I understand the phrase busy as a bee now. Nana's making it look so easy, and I imagine it's a lot harder than that. Oh, another frame of brood. Is that her? No, that's another drone.
Yeah.
No, that's another drone.
I like your excitement though. She could be on here. You see these bigger bumps here?
Yes.
Those are all drone brood. They're bigger
Oh.
than the flat brood is the workers, and these bumpier ones are drones, the boys.
Using a lot more worker bees than drones.
Yeah, for sure.
I'm just gonna get a close up.
Yeah.
Larva here.
Okay. Do you want to look at one more?
Okay, one more.
One more. One more just in case. Last one. Can you hear that nice gentle hum?
Yes.
It's a beautiful sound. Some people are afraid of bees, but actually this nice gentle hum sound relaxes me. I find it really soothing. Yeah. They're just going about their work. Bees are not the same as wasps. Wasps aren't vegetarian, they're predators, and they eat other insects.
But bees are vegetarian.
All bees, all 20,000 species of bees, solitary bees and other types, bumblebees, they're all vegetarian. Okay, so the queen could be on here. Well, I'm not seeing her, but she's definitely here. We saw her eggs, we saw her larva and her babies.
We saw all the evidence, and that's okay.
Exactly, yeah.
Well, Nan, I think we'll leave you to the rest of your bee hunt over here.
Sounds good.
And we're going to go check out some native bees.
All right, have a good time.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining me.
Nan found the queen. Do you see her?